In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Chatgpt on Windows 11 in minutes. If you're looking forward to using this powerful AI tool right from your desktop, you've come to the right place. Let's get started on having it up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to start by going to the official Chatgpt download page. This is crucial because downloading from the official source ensures you have the correct and most secure version of the software. Opening a web browser of your choice, you can easily do a quick search for the official Chatgpt download page to find it. Once you're there, the process becomes straightforward. Next, once you have reached the download page, scroll down until you see the section labeled ChatGPT for Desktop. It's specifically highlighted so you can easily locate it. This section contains the necessary link for downloading the version compatible with your operating system. After finding ChatGPT for Desktop, you'll notice an option to download it for Windows. Click on Download for Windows. The download process will begin, and you'll see a prompt confirming the download initiation. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, it's time for the installation. Locate the downloaded installer file, usually found in your Downloads folder, unless specified otherwise. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. Windows might prompt you asking for permission to run the installer. Simply click Run to proceed. As the installer opens, you'll be guided by a series of on-screen prompts. These instructions are designed to help you install the software correctly, so follow them closely. You'll likely need to agree to the software's terms and conditions and select an installation location, among other steps. These are standard steps, and if you're unsure, the default options typically work well. After you've successfully completed these installation prompts, ChatGPT is now installed on your system. To start using it, you can find it by clicking on the Start menu on your Windows desktop. Here, either browse through your list of apps or simply type ChatGPT into the search bar to locate the application. Then click on it to launch. Finally, you will need to log in using your OpenAI account credentials. If you don't have an OpenAI account, there should be an option to create one, and it's a straightforward process. Once logged in, you'll have full access to ChatGPT and can begin exploring all the exciting features it offers right from your desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed ChatGPT on Windows 11, ready to start exploring how it can assist you in your daily tasks. Enjoy!